In this video, I'll show you how to get the controller aim assist on your keyboard and mouse. I'll explain why you cannot get banned by using this, and I'll also do all of the steps that you will need to do in order to get this aim assist, so you will know exactly how hard it is to do it. The first step is getting this software, guys. First, let me explain how we're actually going to get the aim assist. So to get the aim assist, you will need this software right here called Virtue, which by the way is a controller emulator software. And how it works is very simple. After we turn the engine on of the software, it's going to add a real controller, as you can see right here, a real controller in our PC, and the software basically will convert this virtual controller to your keyboard and mouse. Now let me show you all the steps that you need to do in order to get the aim assist working, and then I'll go in firing range and arc raiders to show you how the software will work. The first thing that you need to do is go to the emulator 2.1 Discord server down in the description, scroll down to arc raiders emulator config channel, arc config here, and now arc raider config. This is the config that you want to copy. Now, one little change, make sure you put a little bit more than 400 dpi and make sure your pulling rate is 1000. And then the only thing that you need to do is download the config, then go to Virtue, go to config folder. So here, open the config folder right here. This is where you're going to put any config that you want to, basically import. Now you can close this. Now we're going to see the arc raiders config. I'm going to open it, and the last thing that you need to do is just copy these in-game settings for the controller. So basically, if we go in arc raiders, now we go to settings, we go to controller, we go to aim assist. Here are all the settings that you need to basically copy from the settings here that he has shared, as you can see, and I'll be right back after I copy all of the settings. Now I'm in arc raiders, and as you can see, I have keyboard and mouse keybinds showing because I am on keyboard and mouse input. So we just turn the engine on. Obviously, we have the DPI setup, the config setup, and the in-game settings setup. We click the key for on and off, which is 7. So if I go in game now and I click 7, you're going to see down right I have controller input, which means automatically I will get the aim assist that the all controller players get, because I am on controller input. And that is how you're going to get the aim assist on your keyboard and mouse. Very simple software, yet very effective.